So here we're going to be evaluating, so finding the value of the product, which means multiply, and the quotient, which means dividing two functions. Okay, here is a function f, 3x squared plus 4, is a function g, minus 2x plus 1. First, I want to find f of minus 2 multiplied by g of 3. So we're going to do this in 3 steps. First, I will find f of minus 2. Then I will find g of 3. Then I will find f of minus 2 multiplied by g of 3. Okay, so let's have a look. F of minus 2 will be 3 times minus 2 squared plus 4. So minus 2 squared is 4, times 3 is 12, plus 6, 16. G of 3, minus 2 times 3 plus 1. Minus 2 times 3 is minus 6, plus 1 is minus 5. So this will give us f of minus 2, which is 16, times g of 3, which is minus 5. So the answer is minus 80. So that is the answer here, minus 80. Okay, in the second part of the question, I want 5 multiplied by f of 3 multiplied by g of 1. So in the same way, we can do this in 3 steps. So let's have a look. So the first one is I want to find f of 3. The second step is I need the g of 1. And then the third and final step is to find what we're looking for, which is 5 f of 3 multiplied by g of 1. Okay, so let's have a look at these 3 things. So f of 3, first of all, f of 3 is 3 times 3 squared plus 4. So 3 squared is 9, times 3 is 27, multiplied by plus 4 is 31. G of 1 is minus 2 times 1 plus 1, so it's minus 1. Therefore, this is 5 times 31 multiplied by minus 1. So minus 155 is the answer in the second. So this minus 155. Finally, this part is just the multiplication of the function f of x in general. So it will be 3x squared plus 4 that we multiply by g, which is minus 2x plus 1. And we can do this multiplication by distributing. So we can see that it will give us minus 6x to the power of 3, and then plus 3x squared, then minus 8x, and finally this times this will be plus 4. So that is the answer here. Just a reminder here that the function f of x is 2x squared minus 3, and g of x is x squared plus 1. So this will be 2 times the function f, which is 2x squared minus 3, over 3 times x squared plus 1. And we can write it, if we want, as, so we do the multiplication like this. So 4x squared minus 6 over 3x squared plus 3. So that is this division here. Now, to evaluate this, I need to find two things first. I need f of 2. I will then need g of minus 1, and then after that I can work out the answer. So f of 2 first will be 2 times 2 squared minus 3. So 2 squared is 4 times 2, 8 minus 3, 5. So f of 2 is 5. G of minus 1 is minus 1 squared plus 1. So it's actually 2. And therefore, now I can find what I'm looking for, which is 4 f of 2 minus 5 over g of minus 1 plus 3. So it will be 4 times f of 2, which is 5, minus 5, over g of minus 1, which is 2 plus 3, which will give us, okay, so 4 times 5 is 20, minus 5 is 15, over 2 plus 3, 5, so the answer is 3.